folks, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update. Today is March 10th, 2020. So one word for today, ouch. So here's what happened today. I've never seen this big of a move in my entire life. And so rates spiked, and again, I keep trying to say pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. If you didn't lock in, you got slaughtered today. So let's get at it. What happened? And I want to show you some technicals behind the thing. But at the opening, let's go through here. This is kind of interesting, some facts. Some news came out that really didn't affect the markets that much. Then we go into the Dow opened up 800 points. MBSs were down 16. No big changes there. We expected. This is kind of a shocker, but not really, because every day is just kind of up 1,000, down 1,000, up 1,000, down 1,000. It'll smooth out eventually. This, I kind of saw this coming because I called a bottom yesterday when we were up 80 at one point and closed down 5. That was a huge reversal, and I'm going to show you the continuation of that. So I think for all the clients that we have, and there's about 16 million in the pipeline that we have, everybody is basically locked in. So we called that one perfect. So again, 800 up, minus 16. So we keep going on. Dow now only up 100, down 39. And then we finished the day tremendous on the stock market and clobbered in the MBS market. So what happened? There's going to be a few things I'm going to show you right here. The Dow rallies on, basically because it had a huge sell-off the other day, but the Dow rallied through, and the market is now expecting a 73% probability that the Fed's going to cut again next week. What that did, along with the Trump coming out saying he might issue a payroll tax holiday between the federal cuts, I got to take that off of there, sorry, between the federal rate cuts that is being expected and the Trump holiday on payroll taxes. I'm going to get rid of that because I don't want any trademark infringements. It boosted confidence in the stock market. Thus, it just crumbled the bond market, just crumbled it. And you see it here. And it was my alert post earlier today saying mortgage rates spiked. So we got a halt basically in the middle of the day, just saying basically lending on our side kind of shut down. Not the process of the lending, but basically rates. They just halted because this was like yesterday's when the stock market halted because of the huge drop. That's basically what lenders did. They're just like, we're not taking any more locks, and a lot of places just shut down for the day. Again, the lock desk, not the production piece. So we're still working on your loans out there. Don't worry about that, especially all the clients that we locked in. So that's what happened today. And again, so let's go back through some of the technicals. There wasn't any really economic data that came out today. But basically, it's just, what the coronavirus is doing to all the economies throughout the world, and especially what it's doing to us. So let's get on to here's where I called it yesterday. And this, to me, was a big reversal, and that's when I started locking. We opened the day right here. And this is, let's look at the charts here. Again, the pigs are getting fat. The pigs are getting fat. All this, if you're new to the channel, what we follow here is the mortgage-backed securities market. It's this number right here. This is what's happening to bonds. The mortgage-backed securities market is a batch of mortgages sold as an instrument on Wall Street as a bond. So as the prices go down, which this goes down, the yields go up, meaning you're paying less for that bond investment. Thus, you're getting a higher rate of return. Thus, a higher mortgage rate that it equates out to. Okay? So we love when this thing goes up, not down. This down 90, I've never seen a move like that ever. So what happened is yesterday, we've been having this rally. So prices are going up, rates are coming down, and that's all you hear in the news. Homeowners should refinance, and I've been preaching this same thing because I said when this reverses, go back to my video from last night if you don't believe me. I said when this reverses, we should be about right in here. So when everything stagnates out or everything washes through, we're going to probably be in this range here. I didn't think we'd come back this fast. Now, what's tomorrow going to bring? I don't know, because these numbers right here are unprecedented. Nobody's ever seen these in these markets. So we locked everybody here. New clients coming in, I'm going to sit on the fence right now because this is too big of a move. I'm expecting this to kind of stagnate into this area tomorrow. But I think this is going to put somewhat of a floor here. This is going to put a ceiling here. So we're going to trade in this range for a little bit. But I hate to say it, but I can be wrong because the government is reacting, the world is reacting, instantaneously on all the news that comes out every minute. So we protected all of our clients right here by locking. And so if you have your application in, 99% chance you are locked. If you're looking to have us review your paperwork for if you were locked somewhere else or you're not locked somewhere else. A lot of people just sat on the sideline. They kept following this rally saying it's going to get better and better and better and better. It crushed. Reach out to us. This is what we do. You use us basically to help you maneuver these markets, and that's what we're doing, hopefully doing for you. So I keep asking this on a daily basis. If you're in the middle of a mortgage process and you'd like a second opinion or your first opinion, reach out to us. The best way to get me is give me a call, 844-775-LOAN. That's 844-775-LOAN. Or email me at Danny, DANNY, .Frio, FRIO, @preferredrate.com. Who am I for the newbies out there? My name is Dan Frio. I do the mortgage update on a daily basis. You can hear me in the Chicagoland area on 2 radio stations. One is WYLL Radio, weekdays Monday through Friday from 7:30 to 8 p.m. And I'm also on WIND Radio in Chicago Saturday mornings from 7 to 8 a.m. I've been doing this for 32 years. I'd love to help you. What I ask people to do is, follow me. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Share the videos out there. If you know anybody in the mortgage business, any realtors out there, anybody that's interested in financing, real estate investing, watch the channel. I keep you up to date every day on what's going on with rates. I also publish all my radio shows, and those are YouTube down below as well. And I also podcast everything. So check me out on iTunes, Spotify, all the big podcasting stations. And I hope you like what you see. I posted an alert earlier today, so I don't want to bore you to death by over-dwelling on this, but the rates got pounded today, and interest rates got locked out. I'll be back at the office first thing in the morning tomorrow to give anybody an update that was waiting for another quote that was on the fence. And now I'm probably, after this video, I'm going to start getting a lot of people saying, hey, did you lock me in? And I'm like, you didn't put the application in, or you didn't confirm back to me that you wanted to do anything. We hedge money when we lock in your rates. So, I absorb that cost. Most people don't explain that to you, but I don't just willy-nilly lock in. I tell you what I can or can't do, and I wait for you to tell me, okay, I want this process, and then I come back to you and say, okay, I'm going to get this rate. I'm going to monitor rates, but I promise you I can get you this rate or lower, and if there's any movements in the market, I'll lock in. We did that yesterday. So God bless. Hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.